Emotional because these body camera videos were shown for a third time. This is an important part of the prosecutor's evidence, the videos of the officers who were on the scene that night. Now, yesterday we heard from one of the officers who was not injured. We also heard from the passenger who was with the Morgan brothers that night. But today we heard from Officer Carlos Yanez, who is on disability, not able to return to work. On the second day of this trial, Officer Carlos Yanez entered court with the mother of his late partner, Officer Ella French, who was killed during a traffic stop they made in 2021. Yanez, critically injured, still walks with a limp, not able to work at the Chicago Police Department. Officer Yanez was emotional taking the stand, recalling what he says he could that day.
He had tears even trying to say his name to start the day because he knew where this was going to be. And I don't know that you ever prepare yourself for that. Hopefully, we don't have any officers having to worry about that for a long time, but that's just not the reality of this job. So we're just grateful he's here.
For a third time, jurors watched the police body camera videos as Yanez testified. He says he didn't remember what happened when they pulled over Eric Morgan and his brother Emonte in the back seat because he was shot 5 times. Eric Morgan was convicted and sentenced. Emonte Morgan is now on trial, accused of shooting Yanez and fatally shooting Officer Ella French. Yanez showed the jury scars on his head, above his eye and shoulder, and a lump on his neck he says is a bullet that was not removed. He testified, "I couldn't see. I was struggling to breathe. I heard gunfire. I was completely paralyzed. I couldn't do anything." He was asked, "Do you still feel the effects of being shot?" He responded tearfully, "Every day." Under cross-examination, Yanez explained he heard gunfire over him, but he couldn't see, and he had a hearing condition. During the videos played today, weeping was heard in the courtroom. The Morgan's grandmother says it was emotional for her too.
My prayers and condolences to Ella French's family and to Yanez's family from the bottom of my heart. We never wanted any of this to happen.
The trial resumes tomorrow here in the Layton Criminal Courthouse.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.